Hello everyone, my name is Adedoyin and I'm glad to announce that I successfully completed task 3 of Data Science and Business Analytics tax internship in Gift Park Foundation. My task is data exploration of a superstore, which as a business manager I'm supposed to find out where the company can make more profit and business problems of superstore. Based on the charts that you can see here, Superstore is making a lot of profit in technology, and I believe they can make a lot of profit in technology if they keep up with their space or double their space in which they've been, their business strategy in that technology part, because technology is not even taking a lot of discount. Like people that buy their tech products, they are not taking a lot of discount as per this discount exploration here. This is their discount here, which is the orange line here. They're not taking a lot of discounts, which is making their profit stable. It's not reducing their profit because discount reduces profit basically. So they can make more profit with technology. And the problems I've analyzed with with Superstore is their furniture. They're not making a lot of profit with furniture as per the chart here. It's a really low profit margin for furniture, and as per year 2, which is profit by city and category, where this cursor is, they are not making a lot of profit. So this is furniture in blue here, light blue. The profit is really poor. So if Superstore can disband furniture in some locations or change their strategy, it would be nice and it would help them stop wasting money or investing in places that they cannot generate a lot of revenue. This is profit by state and category, and technology is showing lots of profit as usual, and office supplies is also doing well, but furniture is also not doing well here. So furniture has to be disbanded, or the strategy in which the product category is being managed has to be changed for an increment, or a change in business strategies is important for this category basically. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.